Good afternoon, everyone. So we were doing quadratic equations yesterday. Try to do this question now, similar to what we were doing, splitting the middle term. Do this one now. Keep your videos on, everyone. Do this one. I'll just be back in 1 minute. Ishan, that is correct. Rest of you, hurry up. It's the same thing as what we did with ax squared plus bx plus c. Ananya, that's correct. If anyone's not able to solve it, let me know. So Ramya, that's correct. Rest of you, what happened? Sarah, no, that's wrong. Paki, Vishwa, what happened? Quickly solve this. Sarah, let's solve this quickly.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what do I do?
So we'll split minus 12.
How?
So the product.
Yeah.
So the product will be minus 7 and 4.
Which is?
No, no. The product will be 14 and minus 2.
14 and minus 2. But what is the product? What is the term that I'm required?
Product 20 minus 28.
Okay. And what is the sum?
The sum required is minus 12.
So what will be the factors?
14 and minus 2.
Plus 14 and minus 2. Do they add up to minus 12?
Yes, sir.
Sure. 14 plus minus 2 is minus 12.
No. No, it will be minus 14 and plus 2.
So you figured out where you went wrong?
Oh, yes.
Right? So they always check to see if this is applicable or not. And is the product minus 28?
Yes.
Okay, so continue further. So how do we write this?
Right. 7 minus 14x plus 2x is minus 4x square.
Then what do? We group.
Then we group them. It will be 7 7 multiplied by 1 minus 2x.
Yeah.
Then will be plus 2x minus 2x.
2x minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. Where is that?
1 minus.
Then?
So the final answer will be 1 minus 2x multiplied by x plus 2x.
Okay. Any doubts, anyone? Okay, do another question. X squared plus 7x plus 6 plus px plus 6p. This is x squared. Try to do this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Vishwa.
Sir, in yesterday's class, you taught how to check if the answer is correct in splitting the middle term. So,
That is
can you tell
only
it
if
again?
that is only if the value of ax squared in which a is equal to 1, then only. We'll do a sum and I'll tell you accordingly.
Okay.
Quickly solve this, everyone. Ananya, no, that's wrong.
हाँ
Yeah, Saurabh?
मी not लिहिलं.
Ishan, that's correct. Now you need to start seeing the problem. Yesterday also, remember when I gave you a similar kind of a problem in which I told you to find the common factors first, just visualize what we can take out common and then what we need to do. Look at the problem first, just don't go blindly and try to solve it. If anyone's not able to solve it, raise your hand. Last 1 minute. Sarah, that is correct. Ananya, check where you went wrong. Ananya, there are 5 terms, right? There's, you have to see about that. So if you have a binomial into a binomial, it won't be 5 terms, it'll be only 4 terms. Right? Paki, that's correct. Last minute. Saramya, Vishwa, Ananya, hurry up. Aryan. Ananya, let's solve this.
Yes. So,
You're not audible. Speak up.
yes, sir. So,
Okay, tell me something. You see that there is an x plus 6 here, and there is, if I take out p common here, I'll be left with x plus 6 here. First thing, if we group this, can I use any identity to solve this? Does this work out to be 2ab? No, because this is not a perfect square, right? So I cannot do that. Next step, see if anything can work out to be common here. So if we see that there is an x plus 6, and if I take out p here, there's an x plus 6 here. Can I do something to this? So now can I do something to this so that I can get an x plus 6 here also? What if I write this as x squared plus 6x plus x plus 6 plus px plus 6p? I'm splitting 6x, 7x into 6x and x. That is why I asked you to look at the question carefully, right? So now we can group because there are 6 terms. Tell me quickly now, Ananya.
so x bracket x plus 6
Yeah.
plus x plus 6.
No, you need to write down that one outside, otherwise you'll forget this.
Yes.
Please, everyone, remember this. Write this one down. Even though there is no number here, write this one down, because whenever we combine, we tend to forget that there is a 1 outside and we forget it and the answer goes wrong. Plus p into x plus 6,
Yes.
which is again x plus 6 into x plus 1 plus p. Now you see why this p 1 was important? Because we have a tendency to overlook
Yeah.
this and we'll just end up writing x plus p. So that is the final answer.
Okay.
Everyone clear? So these small things you need to take care now, okay? Everyone clear with this question? So Ramya clear, Vishwa clear? Okay. Let's do another one. Do this one. 12 minus in brackets x plus x squared. 8 minus of x minus of x squared. Slightly different question. Try to solve it on your own first. I'll give you a hint. Let x plus x squared be equal to a. Take this and then solve further. Five minutes to solve this question. This is a slightly longer one. I'm just having a sip of water and coming. If anyone's not getting the answer, let me know. Or not able to solve it. Ishan, no, that's not correct. Give me a second. Where have you reached to? X squared plus x minus. Can we factorize this further, Ishan? You can, right? So completely factorizing. These are all of the type ax squared plus bx plus c. But check to see whether your plus minus are correct. I'm not doing that. I haven't checked it yet. Vishwa, no, that's completely wrong. Last 3 minutes, everyone try to do this. I've already given you the main hint. All of you all take care over here. We have taken x plus x squared as a. See this part here. Vishwa, what happened? Think. Come on, make an attempt before I can solve it with you. It's not difficult. Last 2 minutes. Ishan, factorize further. Check your plus minus and factorize further. Sarah, go further. Replace a with x plus x squared. Who's going to do that? You haven't completed the answer. And then factorize further, Sarah. You're on the right track. Anyone? Vishwa, let's solve this.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what did you do?
So, sir,
So
what
first
I
I
did,
rewrite this as a minus of 8 minus of x plus x squared. Did you all do this? So this is 12 minus a minus
8,
sorry, this is into 8 minus a, right? Which is
yes,
12 minus 8a minus a squared. Did you all reach here? So now this is a quadratic expression, right? So we want the product as,
But it would be
Vishwa, what is
plus
the
a
product?
square.
Pardon me?
Sir, it would
Yeah,
be minus
plus a
8a
square.
plus
Plus a square, minus a into minus a plus a square. Product, Vishwa, what will be the product?
12,
Plus or minus?
plus,
And what will be the sum?
minus 8.
So what will be the factors? Will 1 and 12 work?
No,
So we go further. Will 2 and 6 work?
no, sir.
Why not? What if I take minus 2 and minus 6? The sum is minus 8 and the product is plus 12.
Yes,
So why no? Why did you say no? Right? So I can write this as 12 minus 6a minus 2a plus a square. Yeah. Let's group.
yes.
What do I do as soon as I group this? What do I do, Vishwa? As soon as I group and I see a negative sign outside, what do I do? Change the sign inside.
Yes, sir.
Then who's going to say that? Now take out the common factors.
So, we can take out 2a.
Where is 2a there? There's only 12 minus 6a. Where does 12 have an a? Vishwa, what is common between 12 and 6?
6.
So I took out 6. Is there an a over here? No, right? So a cannot be taken out. Now divide further. 12 divided by 6
2
minus.
a.
Okay. Now what do I take out common here? 2a plus a, 2a minus of a square. What do I take out common?
2 2a.
Vishwa?
No, only a.
Wait. Only a. What are the factors of 2a, 2 and a, right? What are the factors of a squared? A and a. What is common? Only a. If you're getting confused, do this. Okay. So I'll take out a common, then
Then it will be a 2a
how
minus.
a divided 2a divided by a is 2. Minus of a square divided by a. Vishwa, is this clear? Or are you still confused?
It is clear, sir.
Okay, then what do I do? Now again, we have a binomial. What is common in both of them?
2 minus a.
Okay, and what do I do then?
It will be 6 minus a.
Yes, Ishan?
Sir, I got a minus.
One sec. Sarah, that is correct. What are you saying?
Yeah, here 2 minus a, 6 minus a, I got opposite. I got a minus 2 and a minus.
Does the sum work out to be the same? Can you check?
Yeah, because it was minus 8a plus a square, I rearrange it to
If I take
a
minus
square
outside,
minus
if
8a
I
plus
take minus outside, I'll get minus plus. You got a minus 2 and you got a minus
a
6.
minus 6.
Okay, try to solve it with that. Let's see if the final answer comes the same.
Yes.
Okay. Aryan, continue now.
Yes, sir.
Now
So
what do
it
we do?
would be 2, sir, 2 minus x plus x square.
Okay,
And
now
then,
don't forget this bracket here. If you forget this bracket and you write 2 minus x plus x squared, this will be completely wrong. Another common
Yes.
mistake you all do. Okay, everyone pay attention to this. Ananya, Vishwa, pay attention here. Suramya, you do not do this. This is a binomial, so we always put binomials in brackets, right? That is why I have to include it in brackets over here. Okay, continue, Aryan.
Yes, sir. And then in brackets 6 minus brackets x plus x square.
Yeah.
And then
Open the
whole
brackets.
bracket. So it would be 2 minus x square and 6 minus x square.
Okay, just stop here. Let me add another page here. Till here, everyone, is it clear? Is everyone clear till here? Okay. So let's take this first one. Aryan, do this one. Let's take the first one now.
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes,
product?
sir.
So product is 2.
Plus or
So
minus?
minus 2.
And sum would be?
It would be minus 1.
Minus 1. B. Center term. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the factors?
Sir, it would be minus 2 and minus 1.
Minus 2 minus 1 will give you
So
plus 2
minus 2
as a
plus 1.
product.
Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1.
Correct. So how do I split this as? I'll write 2 minus of 2x
Yeah.
plus x minus x squared.
Yes.
Is this clear, everyone? Continue.
Sir, and then it
Let's
would
group
be
these two.
so 2 into 2 1 minus
Yeah.
1 minus x plus x into 1 minus x.
Close the big brackets. Then
And
further.
brackets close. So 1 minus x into 2 plus x.
Clear so far, everyone? The first factorization, is this clear? Paki, second one. What is the product needed here?
Six.
First of all, is this a quadratic term?
No.
Yes, it is, right? Ax squared plus bx plus c. Same thing. We remember we did c plus
Oh,
bx plus.
okay. Yeah.
We did c plus minus bx plus minus ax squared is also a
Yes.
quadratic. Remember I told you this? So this is of this format now. So what is the product here?
6.
No. C into A. What is C6? What is A minus 1? Minus 6?
Yeah. Minus
Why are you
6.
forgetting this minus sign over here? And what will be the sum?
The sum.
B. What is the B term?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So what will be the factors of 6 which will give you a minus 1 as a sum?
3 and 2. Minus 3. 2 plus 2.
Because the sum will be minus 1 and the product will be minus 6. Okay, so let's continue. So we can write this as 6 minus 3x plus 2x minus x squared.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's group
Yes.
this. Tell me. Yeah, tell me now. What do we do here?
3,
Yeah.
then 1 minus x.
How 1 6 divided by 3?
Sorry, 2 minus x. Yeah.
Okay. Plus
X.
yeah.
2 minus x.
Correct.
X
Then
plus 3 into 2 minus x.
why x plus 3? Why not 3 plus
X
x?
plus, yeah, 3 plus x.
Now this is a very important part, because if supposing we had Paki, pay attention here. Supposing this was the question. So I could not write this as x minus 3 into 2 minus x, right? So don't take this term first. That is why I always tell you, what is the easiest way to write this is first write what is common. So I'm going to write 2 minus x. Then divide, open a bracket and divide each term. So I'm dividing the first term, so I'll get 3 plus x. This is the correct way to do it so that your answer doesn't go wrong, okay?
Okay.
So your final answer now is this one. 1 minus x, 2 plus x, 2 minus x, 3 plus x. Ishan, did you reach to the same answer?
Yeah, a bit different. I got x
Bit
plus
different will be
2
completely wrong.
x minus.
If this has to be the final answer, there can be no other option. What did you do earlier? Just show me or tell me your working. What did you do? So did you take 12 minus of 2a minus 6a plus a square? Or what did you take?
It was 12 minus 8a plus a square. So I rearrange it to a square minus 8a plus 2.
You had 12 minus 8a plus a square.
Yes.
Did you have this? So what did you arrange it to?
A square minus 8a plus 2.
Yeah, that's okay. A squared minus 8a plus 12. That's fine. Then after that, what did you split the middle term as?
A square minus 6 minus 2a plus 12.
A squared minus 6a minus 2a plus 12. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see if we group this, what will we get? We'll get a minus 6 into a minus 2. And what were we getting over here?
6 minus a, 2 minus a.
I think it should not be an issue. But try to keep it in the same format, because you know the examiners, they want you to know about this, that ultimately ax squared plus minus bx plus minus c is the same thing as writing plus minus c plus minus bx plus minus ax squared, right? So they just wanted to test you whether you can do it with both the ways. So try to keep it in this format only. I don't think the answer should be wrong, because ultimately even this will expand to this only. A minus 8a plus 12. Just give me a second. Yeah, it should not be an issue. Then all your signs here must have changed. You must have got 1 plus x into 2 minus x into 2 plus x into 3 minus x or something like that. No, you must have got e n minus x. What did you get as the answer? X minus 1 into x plus 2.
X minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2
X minus
multiplied
2
by x
and
plus 3.
x plus 3. X plus 3, right?
Yes.
Yes, that is correct. That will also be correct. Okay, but try to do it this way, because this is what the examiners, they are going to look for. Even that answer would be correct. Okay. Vishwa, you were asking me that what is the way to check, right?
Yes,
Now you
sir.
see over here, when we have this term over here, we factorize this to 2 minus x and 3 plus x, right? Okay.
Yes.
So our factors here itself are 3 and 2. So what we did is basically what we're trying to say is whenever we have any sum as ax squared plus bx plus c, and where a is equal to 1, whatever factors we get, okay, of the product will can directly be put into x plus minus that first factor and x plus minus the second factor. Okay, I'll show you an example. Do you want to copy this down, Sam? Or is it okay? Can I remove this? Anyone wants to copy? Vishwa, just look at this now. For example, let's take another factorization. One sec. Yeah. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Here the product is 6, sum is 5. So we know the factors will be 3 and 2. Yes? Vishwa, pay attention first, copy it later. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, the value of A in this case is 1, the value of B is 5, the value of C is 6. Wherever B is 1, to check the answer, ultimately I'm going to get this. That is x plus the first factor, x plus the second factor. Why? Again, we can see this will be x plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. When we group this, what will we get? X into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3. So we'll get x plus 3 into x plus 2. That is the same as what we got directly. So this directly, only if a is equal to 1, we can directly check this. Right? Is this clear? So it will be directly the factors, x plus minus the first factor and x plus minus the second factor, whatever they might be.
Okay,
But
sir.
this is not applicable if we have something like here, because we know the value of a is 2, so it's not applicable over here. This is also not applicable if this is 6 minus x plus 2x squared, even then not, or even if it's, sorry, x squared, even then it's not. Okay, in this case, we will have to switch over because we get a different value then.
Okay, sir.
Everyone clear so far? Any doubts? So always look at the question before you're solving. Okay, try to see if there's anything common that we can take out. And if yes, first take out the common factors, group, and then in the last use this splitting the middle term identity. Right? Okay, that's it for today. You can connect for science. I'll see you all tomorrow then. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Was anybody copying?